What's up, guys? I'm here with Cameron Ross, one of our distributors or manufacturers, Tilcor, man.
Yeah.
Cameron, you started off as a roofer. I think that's unique. A lot of people that are in manufacturing that didn't start off in roofing. How did you get into manufacturing, and what's that background?
Well, we're a fifth generation roofing business. So my great grandfather was a roofer, my grandfather, my father, myself, and so you just couldn't, it's in the blood, right?
It's in the blood, yeah. That's how it was with me.
So we left school when I was 16, and that's all I wanted to be. I just grew up putting roofs on from when I was a kid and first sweeping the floor.
Yeah.
But the manufacturing was something that we've been doing for around about 75 years as well. So we were one of the largest manufacturers of roofing in New Zealand, and then we export to 42 different countries.
Yeah, you told me that you got New Zealand Exporter of the Year. It's kind of a really cool story to go from a roofing contractor to a global entity, but it's because of a good product. I mean, this Tilcor product is not the first stone coated steel product I've used, but it's my preference over all of them.
Cool.
And what's different about how this is stronger? Because like some of the other ones, they're not as strong when you walk on them.
I think the big part of it is the New Zealand steel. So we manufacture from New Zealand steel, which is made from the black sand. So so what they do is they get the black sand and they take the iron ore, extract the iron ore from the black sand, and so it's 100% pure steel. Whereas, I mean, I don't want to put other manufacturers down, but they use products from other countries, and some of it could be 30% recycled steel. Whereas we only use one source of steel, and that's what keeps it strong. We know we get the consistency when we're pressing it, and when we're coating it, it's always bang on.
Well, the big thing for us here in Florida is, you know, these customers, they get a discount on their premiums with a stone coated steel roof, and it's like a better roof in their mind than tile. The problem is that we're waiting on tile, and we get like immediate service from y'all. We can get a roof within 2 weeks. You know, just about any color. Even had y'all make
we got stock in California and Texas, and then we got stock in distributors here. So we just keep on feeding it, and we got a new color for you as well, right?
Oh yeah. These guys they custom made a color for us, a Florida blend. And that's what I like about having like a family business that because I'm not really like friends with the owners of these other companies I buy roofing materials from, and it's like kind of a different type of relationship. Like, hey, we need this color, and these guys, they turn around, took us to dinner, steak. It was about 4 months ago or something like that.
Big night, actually.
Yeah, it was. But my head still hurts. No, I'm just kidding. But the point is that we got a custom color, and even on big projects, on specific color.
A few things. As we can match it up, we can match colors up if we need to, and we're semi-flexible with good partners, and we can make things happen. So
well, the biggest thing I see roofing contractors kind of fail when it comes to is thinking that a customer wouldn't afford this metal roof. And if you have an asphalt shingle, how are you going to get this shingle that even at a great value, which your product is literally a better value by 20% than a lot of the other competitors, and it's not just a better product, but it's a better value, but it's still more expensive than asphalt shingle. So figuring out how to teach contractors to go through a sales process, to talk about longevity, to offer financing, and treat this more like a car sale as opposed to a roofing sale, a payment sale.
They put a little bit more work in it as well. There's a lot more money for it, and so it's you can make the same amount of money out of a steel tile as you would 3 asphalt roofs.
Yeah,
I think that's
what I found too. And I try to teach contractors that it's not always about doing more projects. It's about getting to the bigger profits by doing the right jobs. And it's
reallocating your time. It needs to be put in the place where you're going to make money.
Yeah, that's what it comes down to. So,
well, we understand. I mean, we've been roofing. We're a roofing contracting company in New Zealand. We were doing around about 160 roofs a month.
Whoa, God!
So that was part of our business as well. Manufacturing concrete tiles was a big part of our business, and also the long run corrugated iron. But we've settled on this.
Why'd you like that over tile? What was the biggest reason?
The biggest thing is it's lightweight, and for us we could export it, and there's a lot more benefits. It's cooler, it's lighter in weight, it lasts longer, there's less maintenance.
Right.
So when we had a contracting business, we had 3 people that were doing concrete tile repairs. 3. All the time. For this one we have no one.
Yeah, I know. So almost have to find a new business because the roofs last forever.
Yeah, they do. So that's part of what we do.
Well, if you hadn't heard of Tilcor, you got to check out. He's got a free ebook online and we're going to provide a link at the bottom of this video. Check it out.
Cool.
Get involved. Man, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.